Meg. How are you doing?
Doing good. I'm just trying to think of something to bring back my mom for Thanksgiving when we go home from college. I have no idea what to get her.
Oh my god, I know the perfect place for you. It's called Kristen's Chocolate Kisses. It has the cutest gifts and baskets full of chocolate.
My mom loves chocolate. That's the best idea. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, but just so you know, Kristen's Chocolate Kisses will never fail you. It has the perfect gifts that you can get professionally wrapped. They have so much to choose from milk to dark chocolate. You can get pretty much whatever you want covered in chocolate, like anything. Marshmallows, almonds, graham crackers, pretzels, you name it. We often have so many other cute arrangements that involve chocolate, so if there's anything you need or something different, we're flexible enough to make it.
There's perfect gifts of love to send to family, friends, and that significant other. There's all around cheap prices and tons of chocolate for all. The first time you come in, you'll get 10% off. For any questions, call 1-800-CHOCOLATE. Boys, gentlemen, I would take note of this.